Today, Austin and Julia are starting a new tradition. As a sign of their love for each other, their intertwining lives, and the fire that burns within their souls, they will brand this rug. This rug will be on permanent display in their home, a testament to their devotion today, tomorrow, and for the rest of their lives. Just as this brand cannot be undone, so shall their promise to each other stand for the rest of time.
Julia, Rose, Jacqueline, LaRue, I love you. I will always choose you to my last breath. When we first met, I thought we were just going to be friends, working at the same job. Then we started hanging out. I kept coming up to work, seeing you. Our first date was at the feed bag, and I remember you always hitting your head on the door jamb of the truck. I remember our first kiss was in my truck at the big park, watching the sun go down.
Although things might not always go our way, I know one day we will get that family we've always talked about. We will grow old together and sit on our front porch watching the sunset and rise, talking about fond memories, watching our grandchildren play in the yard. Austin, I vow today that everything we want in life will be ours because we can conquer it together. I will always love you from this day forward. I cherish every moment with you. I vow that my heart will be yours until the end of time.
That's what true love is. Being there for your person, for better or for worse, those little moments when things seem so stressful, but you can still make each other laugh. Making a goal list and checking them off one by one together. Or when things are always 50-50, but your person will do 70-30 or 90-10 with you. I am so proud to be in front of all you today, to be by Julia's side today, and for my best friend finding true love. Julia, Austin, my advice to you is to always remember that when times are tough, that your love for each other will always outweigh the bad. Also, Austin, my advice to you is to buy Julia that fluffy cow, because if you don't, before you know it, you'll walk in the front door one day and it's gonna be sitting on your couch.
I'm just so thankful to be standing up here with you guys and to have experienced this weekend and to have been there for you guys through all of your hard times, and I'm gonna stand by you through your ups and your downs from here on out. Anything that you guys need from me, and I am so happy to call Julia my sister. I have been doing it for years now already, but it's actually official now. But I love you guys, and I hope you have a great night.